Welcome to the Wildflower Seed Company. My name is Michael Landis. I want to show you probably the most popular gardening tool in the United States, and if not the world today, and this is called the Hori Hori. It's originally a Japanese tool. This is a stainless steel tool, will not rust, will not break, will not bend, has many attributes. Using it as a trowel with its concave surface, it has graduated lines on it that go up to 6 inches for planting, so you always get the correct depth when you're planting your bulbs, or if you're looking at a certain depth you want to plant anything, this is going to come into great use right here. It has a scalloped serrated edge on one side which acts as a saw when you're planting. When you're hitting small roots, you can saw right through them. This is a knife edge on this side, and this is great for opening bags of soil, cutting twine, irrigation, sod cutting, dividing your perennials. This is great for use on daylilies, irises. It's a great division tool instead of jumping on a spade. Using this as a trowel, you dig through the soil and it cuts through these small roots that have invaded the area by other plants. And you can pull the soil in and use it as a pressing tool. Perfect little tool to plant with. If you have a certain spacing, you go back to your gauge here, say every 6 inches. So I'm going to plant it right here. This is great for weeding. You can go down, stick right at the base of a dandelion and pop out that taproot. Multi-purpose tool, some tool you cannot live without in the garden, guaranteed to be your favorite tool. One of those attributes is using the Hori Hori as a scraper to dig out weeds between concrete bricks in your patio, wherever they might be. It's a tough tool. Don't be afraid to use it. You can see that makes very short work. It's a great tool. If I've heard it once, I've heard it 10,000 times. The Hori Hori is my favorite tool in the garden. It's the only tool I use. Well, also I've heard, one of my favorite uses of it is opening bags of soil. I don't know how many people have tried, in fact, I still find myself, if I don't have a Hori Hori close by, trying to poke my thumb through. You just grab your Hori Hori, that bag of soil is open. That's how easy and how multi-purpose useful this tool is. If you don't have a Hori Hori, I suggest you get one. This will be your best friend in the garden. You'll go through 30 trowels and this thing will still be your best friend. Everybody uses a knife in the garden. Here you have one that's a saw, a trowel, a knife, a digging tool, a weeding tool, multi-purpose tool. You'll love this tool. This can be purchased on our website, www.wildflower-seed.com. Thank you.